Hi there, I'm Jairo from Contabo. If you're using Plesk or just getting started, you might be wondering how to get more out of it. In this video, I'll show you how to boost your hosting setup using Plesk extensions, all within the powerful Plesk hosting panel. Whether you're managing a single site or reselling hosting, these tools will save you time and help you do more. The Plesk panel is your web-based control center. It simplifies hosting, letting you manage websites, domains, DNS, email, databases, and all in one place. Plesk extensions are like apps or plugins you can add to your Plesk panel to expand its capabilities. They let you customize your server to your exact needs, whether you want extra security, better speed, advanced backups, or developer tools. You can install them directly through the Plesk management interface in just a few clicks. So let's start with something essential: security. From the Plesk extensions catalog, you can install ImunifyAV for automatic malware scanning, fail2ban for brute force protection, or Let's Encrypt for free SSL certificates. This turns your Plesk hosting panel into a security dashboard with just a few clicks. Need faster sites? Extensions like NGINX caching, SpeedKit, or Redis can seriously improve your page load times. It's performance tuning made easy, no server-side config required. For developers and agencies, the Plesk panel can also become a powerful workspace. Use Docker to run containers, add Git integration to deploy code, or set up Acronis backup to automate offsite backups, and it's all done from the Plesk management. Installing extensions is really simple. First, go to Plesk extension section, then browse or search for what you need, and click install. That is it. Many are free, and paid ones usually have trial options. So to recap, the Plesk hosting panel already does a lot out of the box. But with Plesk extensions, you can tailor it to your exact needs, from security to speed to automation. And the Plesk management interface makes it all incredibly user-friendly. If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe for more Contabo tutorials, and let us know in the comments below which extension you would like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting with Contabo.